that live on the west side!
Are you alright? Where'd that thing come from?
I don't know.
You could say Mitch and I have shared scooters before.
Are you implying?
But I was never able to win his sister's approval.
Something's been off in this town ever since that woman arrived.
Lydia, I'm right here. I don't mean to be bothered. It's just that.
Someone there? Who is it?
Look!
This isn't usual, is it? Something seems to be wrong with them.
The bird scooters aren't the problem. They bring ease into the world. It's mankind who insists on ruining it.
Ma'am? Ma'am? Hey, that's not your coffee! Hey! Is your name Tom?
Birds don't go around attacking for no reason.
Hello? 911? This is Melanie Swan. Yes, this is an emergency this time! There are tons of birds attacking! Why do I insist on wearing this 1963's getup? It's 2018!
This fall, see what the critics are saying. And beware of the birds.